Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.
Hello dear friends, welcome back to FTech channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you a real technique. So guys, if you follow this video, that time you can change your gallery photo. Actually, when you change our mobile, that time you will get always one interface. But if guys, if you use this video, that time change you can set up a new picture when you search your mobile. So for that, you need to download one application, which is the right now you can see. Actually, I have already download this application name is Shasin Shasin Photo. So this application is available from Play Store. You can download from here. There you can see. So after downloading the software, just wait, then just open. Then guys, when you open this application, then you will get this kind of interface. Wait a few seconds, then just scroll down, then there you can see create image, and just click on it and into yellow. Then you need to choose one photo, which is, guys, first of all you have to enable from here the application. Then after enabling this application, then guys, there you can see gallery option, just click on it. Then you need to go from your gallery. So guys, there you can see I would like to set up this photo. For setuping, just you need to just hold it, then just click a scroll action. Then guys, there you can see light option, just click on it. So guys, after clicking, then guys click the right option. Then there you can see set option. Just this option is automatically will be selected. Okay, so right now guys, if I charge my mobile, that time I will get this kind of interface. So right now you can see I connect my mobile from charger. Okay, so guys, there you can see if I connect to charger, that time I will get this kind of interface. So actually this is amazing future. So but guys, by this app, you by this process you can set up and you can set your photo from charging time. Okay, so guys, right now you can see